Telegram has rolled out such a powerful update that everything has fundamentally changed. This video will completely change your understanding of Telegram bots. The old text menus are officially dead. Today, the bot is a full-fledged application with a revived interface, colored keys, animated emojis wherever possible, full-screen effects, and avatar generation. Sales are managed by an integrated AI consultant, and inside mini apps, endless video tapes are deployed for online stores, ordering services, online courses, and interactive quests. Accept payments directly in the messenger. Moreover, bots now communicate with each other directly through the bot-to-bot function, linking any services into a single ecosystem. And the coolest thing is that every user who clicks Start Bot stays in your database forever, allowing you to send newsletters absolutely for free. In a selection of short 5-minute videos, I will clearly and without water show you how to run all this through the smart Questflow service. Without programming skills, just writing text to artificial intelligence what you need, or putting together a project using vibe coding. I have already posted all the examples and ready-made templates of multilingual bots in my Telegram channel. The free download link is right below this video. Go ahead and take it. Today, we are looking at one of the most fundamental and essential elements for building smart funnels, the input block or user input block. This is your primary tool for creating interactive experiences and collecting absolutely any type of data from users right inside your Telegram bot. On the screen, you can see how easily it is added to the scenario. The core concept of the input block is incredibly simple yet highly effective. As soon as a user reaches this stage, the bot pauses and patiently waits for the person to send their response. What exactly can we collect? Honestly, anything you want. Standard text, a client's name or detailed feedback, contact details, a phone number or email address. Media. You can even request files, photos, or videos. Let's take a look at the settings. The coolest feature here is the variable system. We don't just read the information entered by the user. We neatly store it in a dedicated variable. For example, we ask for a name and save it to a variable. From that moment on, across all subsequent stages of the funnel, we can address the client by their name, making the dialogue highly personalized and natural. By using the input block, you transform your bot from a basic FAQ registry into a powerful tool for surveys, order processing, and lead qualification. Placing an input block right before an AI block allows your Telegram bot to automatically generate tailored commercial proposals based on the parameters provided. Best of all, everything is configured visually, intuitively, and without a single line of code. Design dialogues of any complexity with Questflow and collect data effortlessly.